Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you an amazing way to make money online just by using simple tools and easy steps. So let's get started. First step, just you can head to Google and here type in anything about your niche or your field, whatever it is, such as swimming, yoga, fitness, dogs, cats, and so on. For example, I would like to add here something like fitness exercises, for example, and here you can find a lot of amazing articles talking about this amazing keyword or this topic. So we can pick one of these beautiful articles like this one for Healthline. Okay, and step number 2 is you can get the link of this article, copy, and go to an awesome website that's so-called printfriendly.com, where you can convert your web page into a PDF. So you can download your article as a PDF, or you can print it out automatically in this amazing website as well. So here in this box, insert your link, preview, as you see. And the best part here in printfriendly.com, here you can remove any plug, any image, any word, any sentence, or anything else as you want. So you can remove this, okay, and so forth. And now it's time to download this PDF. Click over this green button. Perfect. And the third step, just you can go to a phenomenal website that's so-called chatdoc.com. Here it's powered by ChatGPT, where you can chat with your PDF files. So here just you can sign up for free using your email or Google account, okay? Then here upload your PDF file that you have downloaded from Print Friendly, and just a few seconds. And here you go. Here you can commence ask this PDF and ChatDoc anything about your PDF file you have uploaded. And to your knowledge, ChatDoc doesn't give you only the key lights and highlights of your PDF, but also it understands the general and the entire PDF, and it gives you back a lot of creative ideas and answers based on the concept in your PDF file. So for example, here you can find a lot of suggestions from your PDF, like what is the significance of compound exercise in everyday routine fitness. So here you don't find the same headline or this question in your PDF as you see. So ChatDoc elicits this answer or this question from your PDF based on the context or the whole concept of your PDF file, and such as all these questions, and gives you a lot of creative answers. So here you can ask any question about the topic in your PDF file, or just you can click over one of these beautiful creative questions like this one, for example. And here ChatDoc gives you an amazing answer to this question as you see. Perfect. So now let's move on to the up next step, which is rewrite the content or the paragraph of these answers that we have generated from ChatDoc. And I recommend you an amazing website that is niches.com. It's a beautiful website, AI writing assistant that help you more in different fields and different businesses like YouTube, blogging, social media marketing campaigns, and so on, because this amazing website contains over 180 templates that use the latest model ChatGPT uses, which is GPT 3.5. And one of these beautiful templates, content rewriter with different tones as you like. So you can type something here, content rewriter, and select this one, content rewriter. Click over this one, use in a new project, give it name like this one, quickly create your project. And now it's time to insert here the answer you generated from ChatDoc to rewrite it. So we can go back to our ChatDoc and copy this answer, copy, and head back to niches.com, insert here. And the best part in this template, you can select any tone as you like that suits your project, your topic, your niche, and so forth. So you can find here, you can rewrite your content in a creative way, childish, charming, curious, emojis, friendly, frustrated, informative, inspirational, and so on and so forth. So for example, I select a professional way or professional tone and get content. And just in a flash, you can find here your new copy of your content, as you see, in a professional tone. This way for different answers from ChatDoc one by one to create generated paragraphs. And now just move on to the upcoming step, which is you can turn this text or this paragraph into a professional video, short video. And of course, you can find a lot of different websites and tools that convert text and articles to professional video. And I will leave link below in the description box about a list that contains over 10 websites that convert text and articles to professional videos. Like Pictory.ai. Pictory.ai, one of the most recent AI tools that convert text and paragraphs and articles to a professional video just in a matter of seconds. Because here in Pictory you can find a big library of visuals, media, pictures and videos from Storyplugs.com. So here you can create your video depending on high quality media. So now here in this dashboard you can find a lot of amazing features Pictory.ai provides, like script to video, which is text to video, article to video. Just you can insert here the link, that videos using text, visuals to video, and so on. So here we can head to this amazing template, proceed. And here in this box, just you can insert and paste the generated copy from niches.com. So we can go back to niches, as you see, and select this one, copy. And then instead of copying the same script as it has in Pictory.ai, we want to insert a single sentence in a single scene. So just you can head to this amazing website, which is sentencesplitter.com, that splits the compact paragraph into many sentences. So insert here your paragraph and your text, convert, as you see. So now we can copy them and back to our Pictory.ai to generate your short video, as you see. And of course you can make more sentences. So to stimulate, for example, here, enhance the stability, burn calories and contribute. Beautiful, perfect. So press on this button, proceed. Now it's time to select your template, like this one quickly, for example, and select your dimensions of short videos like TikTok videos. Okay, continue. As you see, an amazing short video about what the benefit of compound exercises. So now it's time to download your video, and of course you can add here any voiceover from this library of audio, or you can upload yours as you want. I will leave a link of a list of the best 8 tools to convert text to natural speech human voice over with all human features like breathing, pauses, and so on. So don't miss out to check out this link below in the description box. And now it's time to download your video from here, video download. And here you got your video about the compound exercise or the compound workouts. Now it's time to upload this video as a short video on YouTube. Yes, and by using this short video on YouTube, you can promote some affiliate products or any other related products. And as in my case, I just talk about fitness and bodybuilding and weight loss and something like that. So you can promote some dietary supplements or some tools, equipments to weight loss and so on. So for example, you can head to this amazing website, which is so called NutriProfits.com. NutriProfits.com. It's an amazing affiliate network that contains a lot of products about different fields, about different niches like bodybuilding, weight loss, fertility, acne, for skin issues, and for beauty, and so on. So here you can promote these amazing offers without any strings required, with beautiful commissions, as you see, ranging from $30 to $50 per sale, as you see, and with lifetime cookies. Perfect. Just you can grab the link of your affiliate product and promote in your first comment of your YouTube short. But heads up, Here in this way, just you don't depend on the YouTube partner or YouTube monetization. Here just you can use YouTube Shorts to promote some affiliate products and get commissions by using them. And by the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.